Hello everyone. In this video I will discuss about that reaction equation. Okay, then how many types of reaction equations and what is the differential form of reaction equation and integrated form of reaction equation. Okay. So first of all, that reaction equation are two types. Okay, now reaction equation or rate equation. Okay, rate equation, two types. Sorry, reaction rate equation, then two types. One is differential rate equation and another one integrated rate equation. Okay, integrated rate equation. So rate equation here rate equations are of two types. First one is differential rate equation and another one is integrated rate equation. Okay, so first of all, integrated rate law for a zero order reaction. Okay, integrated rate law for a zero order reaction. Now this is for zero order reaction. The definition, what is zero order reaction? Okay, you can see here a reaction whose reaction rate does not depend on the concentration of the reactants is known as zero order reaction. Okay, so zero order reaction is what? A reaction whose reaction rate does not depend on the concentration of the reactant, suppose A2P. Okay, sorry, R2P, or you can write this one also, or A2P. Okay, so this one this is reactant or reactants and this is product. So what is the zero order reaction? So a reaction whose reaction rate does not depend on the concentration of the reactants is known as zero order reaction. Okay, now this consider a zero order reaction. Suppose consider a zero order reaction. This is A2P. Okay, A2P. So consider a zero order reaction, then A2P. Okay, A2P. Now differential rate equation of the reaction. This is one number. This one number is differential rate equation of the reaction. So differential rate equation of the reaction. So if the concentration of the reactant, okay, this is concentration of the reactant, this is reactant, the concentration of the reactant is A, this one. Okay, this concentration of the reactant is concentration of A after time t from the initiation of the reactions, then reaction rate. So how to find out reaction rate? See this one, reaction rate. So reaction rate equal to minus d dt of concentration of A equal to K concentration of A. Okay, this one, and this one is what? Zero order reaction. That's why this power is 0. So reaction rate, this is A to P 1, this is zero order reaction, and A to P. So what is the rate? Reaction rate equal to minus, why this one minus? Because this side is concentration decreases and this side concentration increases. Okay, so minus d dt of concentration of A equal to K into concentration of A to the power 0, because this one is what? This is zero order reaction. Here this zero order reaction, then equal to minus d dt of concentration of A equal to K, and this value is what? This value is 1, because this power is 0. If power is 0, then value is 1. So this is equation number 1. This K is called rate constant. This K is called rate constant. Okay, so this equation 1 represents the differential rate equation. This equation 1 represents the differential rate equation, because this is d dt is there. Okay, d dt of concentration of A. Okay, so this equation represents the differential rate equation for the zero order reaction. Okay, zero order reaction. Okay, this is differential form. Now integrated rate equation of the reaction, this is second number. Integrated rate equation of the reaction. Okay, this is integrated rate equation of the reaction. So how to do? Now this one, right? Okay, here minus d dt of concentration of A equal to K. Now cross multiply, minus d concentration of A, d into concentration of A equal to, this is cross multiplication, then K dt. Okay, K dt. This one. So integrating this equation, the integration symbol you have to write. So integrating this equation, then minus integration d concentration of A equal to integration K dt. Okay, so here's one formula is there. This is integration dx. You can write x. Okay, this one. See, like this, d, suppose this is x. So integration dx, you can write minus, this is what? Concentration of A equal to, and this K is constant in outside, and concentration of integration of dt is what? T only, T, plus Z. This Z is integration constant. Here Z equal to integration constant. Okay, this Z is integration constant. This one is equation number 2. Okay, this one is equation number 2. This one. Next, now if initially at time t equal to 0, okay, initially then time t equal to 0, the concentration of the reactant, this concentration, okay, the concentration of the reactant is A naught. Okay, that means A, this concentration of A equal to A naught. Now this T equal to 0 and concentration of A naught, this one you can put this equation number 2. Okay, in equation number 2. So you will get minus, here you have to put, here, see, here, this one, A naught equal to K into T value now is 0 equal to Z, or minus concentration of A naught equal to Z. Okay, now Z value, so Z equal to what? Z equal to minus concentration of A naught. So this one Z equal to minus concentration of A naught. Okay, now this value you can put in equation number 2. In equation number 2, this is equation number 2. See, concentration of A equal to KT plus Z. So you can put KT plus Z. Z value is what? Minus A concentration of A naught. Okay, so KT plus minus minus concentration of A naught, here minus A. Okay, now this one bring this side, this one, so you will get concentration of A naught minus A equal to KT, or KT equal to concentration of A minus concentration of A naught minus concentration of A, or K equal to this concentration of A naught minus concentration of A divided by T. This one is one equation. Okay, so this equation this equation represents the integrated rate equation. So this one is integrated rate equation. This equation represents the integrated rate equation for the given zero order reaction. Okay, if the initial concentration of the reactant, okay, this is what, this one is initial concentration. Okay, this A naught, concentration of A naught, this one is initial concentration. So if the initial concentration of the reactant is A naught, time T and concentration of the reactant at time, this one, okay, that means time T, then concentration of the reactant, this is A, concentration of A, this is initial concentration, and after time T, this concentration, this one, okay, are known. The value of the rate constant can be calculated using this formula. Okay, so this is important formula. Then K equal to concentration of A naught minus concentration of A divided by T. Okay, this one. Also next video I will discuss